Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to measure pips on TradingView mobile. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, first step is to open the TradingView app. And then from there, open the chart for the pair you want to analyze. For example, you can do SPX, DJI, EUR, USD, etc. So I'm just going to use Bitcoin US dollar for this demonstration. Now I can zoom in and out for this chart here. And now in order to measure pips, basically, we want to go ahead and bring up the ruler tool. So if we scroll down and click onto drawings, make sure we are selected tools and then click measure. And then you can measure pips from, so place the first point, so tap on the price where you want to start measuring, for example, your entry point, and then drag your finger up or down to the target price, so take profit or stop loss. So for example, I can go ahead and place this ruler here, and if I want to go ahead and drag my finger up or down to the target price, so take profit or stop loss level, I can. So say if I want to go ahead and measure that, now you can see here if I click onto it, I'll do that again. So I want to measure from here, get the ruler back up. I think it went away, so measure. All right, so I'm going to measure from here to here, and you can see how many. So this box is basically telling us our pips, the price difference, the percentage change, and also the number of bars as well.